Top 6 Best Lawn Dethatchers Reviews. GREENWORKS 10 amp 14-inch corded lawn dethatchers. Pros: stainless steel tines stay sharper for longer, padded grip and a bail switch attached. Changing possible depth in 3 positions to remove matted layers. The cord kept from disconnecting thanks to an integrated cord lock. Cons: power is limited, may request an extension cord. AGRI-FAB 40-inch tine toe dethatcher. Pros: there are 20 durable spring tines can accommodate up to 70 pounds of soil. For better penetration, it can be easily raised and lowered with the transport handle. The tires are semi-pneumatic. Cons: some assembly is required. Sun Joe AJ801E 13-in. 12 amp electric scarifier. Pros: a powerful 12 amp motor rakes with a 13 inches broad course spring steel tines with air boost technology for full thatch pickup, free of upkeep. There will be no petrol, oil, or tune-ups. You can customize the raking depth. Easy disposal. There's a detachable thatch collection bag. Cons: may not fit with all lawn tractor. AGRI-FAB 450295 48-inch tine toe dethatcher plus. Pros: universal hitch, flat free wheels, very well built, simple to use. Cons: it takes a lot of space for storage. Sun Joe AJ805E 15-inch 13 amp electric scarifier. Pros: small to medium-sized lawns may benefit from this product. A powerful 13 amp motor rakes a 15 inches wide course spring steel tines with air boost technology for full thatch pickup, free of upkeep. There will be no petrol, oil, or tune-ups with a 5-position depth monitor. You can customize the raking depth for easy disposal. There's a detachable thatch collection bag. Cons: it seems complicated during the assembly. WORX 14 inches 12A electric lawn dethatchers. Pros: the lock-off switch keeps things safe and power-efficient. Collection bag keeps you from blowing dead grass shoots, stems, and roots all over your feet in your yard. Built with modern efficiency standards. A cost-effective tool collection that's been designed to last 3,500 revolutions per minute. No load speed, 14 inches cutting width, and 0.9 bushels of 8. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.